is to draw a single flower. And so if we look at our flower here, we're going to write a method that's passed a graphics object. We need that to do any drawing. The x and y coordinates, the upper left x, y for this flower. The size of the flower, that is its width and height. The color object, that's the color of the 4 petals that make up the flower. And then we'll draw the center, which will be black. So those are the parameters that we're going to pass. And to draw this flower, we just draw the 4 petals. We'll notice this one in the left is size over 2 by size over 2, width and height, and its xy coordinates are the same as the entire flower. This petal in the upper right, its x coordinate is x plus size over 2, and its y coordinate is just y. This petal in the lower left, its x coordinate is the same as the x for the flower, but its y coordinate is y plus y over 2, x size over 2. And then this one on the bottom right, its x coordinate is x plus size over 2, its y coordinate is y plus size over 2. And then the center here, its x coordinate is x plus y over 4, size over 4, and its y coordinate is y plus size over 4. So basically we're just filling in 5 ovals in order to draw this flower. So let's write the method to do that. So I've got the header written here, and again we're passing in the graphics object, the upper x and y coordinates, the size of the flower, and the petal color, which is a color object. So we're just going to draw the petals, and to do that we want to set the color to petal color. So g.set color to petal color. If we're not using a predefined color, we don't put color dot in front of it. Then we're going to draw the 4 ovals. So the upper left oval, g.fill oval, is in position XY, and its size is size over 2, is its width, and its height is size over 2. And if we want, so that gives me my upper left oval, I can just copy this 3 more times. And basically all I'm changing is the x and y coordinates. So the upper right petal is at x, y plus size over 2. The one in the lower left is at, oh that's the lower left. The one in the upper right is x plus size over 2, comma y. And then the one in the bottom right is x plus size over 2, y plus size over 2. So that draws my 4 colored petals, and then now I want to set the color to black. Since that's a predefined color, I put the class name in front of it, just like we do math.py. And now I just draw it, g.fill oval again. But its x coordinate is x plus size over 4. We're only going over a fourth of the size of the flower. Y plus size over 4. And then the size of that is size over 2. Size over 2 is the height and width. So that should draw my flower. So now I can save and compile this to make sure my code is correct. So if I say Java flower dot, or Java C, sorry, Java C flower dot Java. My code is correct, but if I run it, I'm not going to see any flowers. So I have to call this method in order to see any flowers appear on my canvas. So the way I call it is I say draw in main, draw flower, pass it the graphics object, where I want to put the flower on my canvas, so I could go over 200 pixels and down 100 pixels. The size of my flower, say I want it to be 80 pixels wide, and then the color for the petals of the flower, and I can just pick any color I want, for example, color.red. So now if I run this, save this, and compile and run it. I should see, and I do, I see a red flower appear on my canvas. I can use that same method to draw multiple flowers of different colors and sizes in different positions on my canvas. So if I go back over here, I can add some calls. I can say draw flower G, and then I can draw another one. I can go over 50 and down 250, and I can make it size 100, and I can make it color dot blue. And I could draw a third one. And here I'll go over 400 and down 200, and I'll make it 50 pixels wide, and I'll make it color dot yellow. So I could continue this and draw as many flowers as I want, and I'm just calling the same method over and over, passing it different parameters. So if I compile and run this, gotta close my drawing canvas window. Now compile it and run it, and I see the 3 flowers appear on my canvas. So that's the basic technique for writing one method to draw a single flower.